Hi guys, welcome back to Technova. Today, let's talk about the newest and the latest product from Apple AirTag. So the newest product by Apple is this little AirTag. It's basically a Bluetooth tracker. You can use it to track things that you own like your keys, a backpack or a purse. They cost 3,190 rupees for one pack, and you can get a pack of 4 which costs you around 10,900 rupees. I bought the pack of 1. You can see here it comes in simple Apple packaging which is quite clean and easy to unbox. Then setting it up requires iOS 14.5 in your iPhone. You just need to bring the AirTag close and it automatically pops up. Now tapping on connect, name AirTag. This is where you will use your AirTag for. For now, I will give it a custom name, test, using a custom emoji. Now please note that this custom emoji section is only available to the 14.6 beta users and will be available to you if you are using normal iOS 14.5 sooner. Continuing, you can link it to your Apple ID. It will take a minute. And it's all ready to go. Now you can find it in your Find My app. You can see the test AirTag is with me. There is an extra function that requires the iPhone 11 or 12 that's called precision finding, and we will look at that in a minute. But other functions will work just fine if you have an older iPhone as long as you are running 14.5. Precision finding is the main feature that is worth buying the AirTag for. Starting off with the first feature which is common to all, play sound. Yes, the sound is quite loud seeing the size of the AirTag. Next feature which is only present in iPhone 11 or 12 is precision finding, which is a feature you can use to track the exact location of your AirTag in the radius of 30 feet. Starting off, this requires the U1 chip, ultra wideband chip, which is installed in your AirTag and as well as your phone. I am using an iPhone 12, so I can use this feature. Thank you guys for watching. That was all for today. Do subscribe and like the video if you like the content. And do press the bell icon to stay notified about upcoming review on AirTags. Thank you.